Welcome to the video where we're going to look how LLM and AI tracking works with Nightwatch. This is a new functionality which enables you to monitor rankings for your website or brand within LLMs. If traditionally we were focused on monitoring only the search engines, now we are extending this capability to also understand how your brand or website is placed specifically within the LLMs and also AI searches. And we're going to also look at particular distinction between LLMs and AI searches. So let's see how this works. Here we have an example of a website, soundcloud.com. We're tracking a couple of keywords. We can see their performance. Those keywords are set up to be tracked on Google. And we know that SoundCloud is known for a platform where musicians can upload their music to the audience and share it there. So since this is an old brand, we can also assume it's present in the LLMs. And if we would click add keywords, we would be able to choose now, besides traditional search engines, also LLMs, where we can see GPT, 4.0, and Claude. And if we go to ChatGPT, here on the top we can see which model is currently open. So basically, when people are gonna ask GPT or any other model questions such as what is the best service for musicians to upload music, this LLM is now gonna look for the information it has in its model, and it's gonna give us the results. So now one important thing to distinguish here is there are two different sets of ways of how this information is delivered. Now we can see that we are just getting the question answered from the neural network. And this is basically when information is embedded with the model itself, and the model assumes that it doesn't have to search the internet for the nature how it's designed. It's just gonna give us the information the way it's written and represented in the model. There is also another way of a model returning the results, which is called AI search. And this enables AI to extend its capabilities with web searches. The reason why this is important is because sometimes LLMs cannot access the newest information the way how they are designed. They have to be extended with using the search tool. So when you ask a question to GPT, it's going to decide whether it can provide this information from within the model or if it should execute a search. And when it executes the search, it does the so-called AI search, for which it uses Bing results in the background. In this moment, we focus and we do only LLM search. We believe this is, for first step forward, making this functionality possible, the most important. So we're going to try to replicate this into Nightwatch, and we're going to try to bring these questions to see how they are represented and how they change within the model. So service for musicians to upload music could be one target keyword that we could take, and let's say that we want to track its rankings in United States. We can also add some more examples, and let's say platform for musicians, upload music platform. Now let's add these keywords. We're gonna wait a little bit. Here we can filter by LLMs. And we can see that for this result, we are ranking number 1. And the other results were Bandcamp, DistroKid, TuneCore, CD Baby. which should very closely represent what we got here. It's not necessary that we're always going to get the same sequence of results, and that's the point of tracking. This now enables us to monitor exactly how our brand or website is placed within the LLM model when users search for the specific information. So please give it a try and set up your own keywords, brand settings. Some important things to distinguish here, as I mentioned, is LLM search versus AI search is two different things. And also brands that have stronger presence, that are present on internet for a longer time, might be easier to monitor and might be more visible within the LLM models. Therefore, monitoring this is crucial to understand how you should adjust your SEO strategy. We really hope that this feature will be useful as we extend its capabilities, and we would love to hear your feedback how you plan to be using it.